Hello my people, I brought you another recipe how you can make your own kuli kuli. This is very easy to make. Remember on my previous video, the peanut oil, I told you what I will be using the chaff to do. Today I brought you that recipe, so I'll be using it to make this crunchy peanut cake or kuli kuli, whatever you call it. It's so yummy. I'll guide you through on how you can do it. So these are the previous video how I extracted the oil from this peanut cake. So now is the completion of the video. So you can see I already drained out all the oil. So getting ready for this crunchy kuli kuli. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, thank you so much for coming by, and thank you for my returning subscribers and followers. Thank you. I really appreciate all you're doing for me. So thank you. I appreciate. So you can see, so after the oil have been drained out, so now is the deal. So you can see it's a little bit dry. It shows it's ready. So I added 1 tablespoon of the cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half cup of cane sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. I decided to use the cane sugar. Yes, I have to mix everything to well combine. So this is very crunchy kuli kuli we're making. You can see it's very easy. I have to mold it according to my choice, so I decided to start with the flat mold type, and later on I switched to just molding it into a ball. So you're free to make your own mold of your choice, depends on what you want. So you can see there's still some oil coming out. You can see. So now is the frying time. So I use the oil that I got from the extraction of the peanuts to do it. Pour it into the pan, and I'll be adding the peanut cake inside the oil, which is the kuli kuli. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. And remember to click on your notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see it. So the frying process, you have to use the low heat. Yes, use the low heat so that the kuli kuli will get done inside. You can see how simple it is. It's not complicated. You can do it. From the oil extraction to the making of kuli kuli, no waste. Okay, everything is useful in this recipe. Hope you get to try. You can see my kuli kuli came out so well. Hope you will try it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video.